Okay friends, it's time to start replacing our wiper blades. To do that, we're just going to gently lift up on this arm. Keep in mind at all times that this is under spring tension, forcing it towards your windshield. Once we get this wiper blade off, you want to make sure the arm does not break your windshield. Now I'm just going to tip the wiper blade like this, and underneath here there's a little tab that I'm going to grab onto. I'll squeeze it towards the arm itself, and then we'll take this wiper blade and force it down. There it is, friends. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new wiper blades. First, we want to remove this protective sheathing right across here. Next, you're going to find the area where the hook from your wiper arm is supposed to go, right inside here. Let's carefully lift up on this. I'll bring it right down, put it into the slot, and now we'll just draw it towards me and listen for it to click in. Give it a nice wiggle, make sure it's secure, gently put it against your windshield, and down the road you go.